Well, we're out with the dually. Got the trailer back there. Got the little man in the back. I don't know what his expression is, but got Mom over here feeling puny. But she's with us anyhow. We're on another adventure. Let's see what we come up with. Might be good, might not be. She's empty right now, but I swear coming up this hill I see that gas gauge going down. Gas hog, this thing. But still fun. Right, babe?
Right, babe.
Look at her. She's perked right up now that we got a piece of junk on the trailer. Right, bud?
That's why we back in the AC.
Look at her there. Yeah, the AC, by the way, that's working off computer duster. Everybody said, no, that'll never work. Never work.
It's pretty good and cold.
Just get you some Freon.
Well,
It's a beaut, ain't it?
computer duster is a whole lot cheaper at $1 a can.
We got us a lifted 81. You might be a redneck if your signs got bullet holes laying on. I still amuse her after all these years. Hear that? That's dinosaurs being burned at a high rate of speed in the 454 up that hill. So the lesson of the day is, if your wife's got a migraine, go buy a junk truck and get her some barbecue sunflower seeds. She'll perk right up. Well, me and the dually, doggone gone and done it again. No motor in it. It's 4-wheel drive. It's got right new tires. Got super winch lockers in it. It looks like almost all the Allen screws are in it, except maybe that one. Not too many lug nuts. Only 2. Pretty sketchy lift on it. Pretty sketchy. The blocks are twisted. Got a little crusty there. Fenders appear to be good. Doors junk. Some pretty sketchy rocker repairs there. Bad stuff there. Package of sandpaper. Looks to be about 80 grit. General usage. It's an 81. Uh-oh. PZ police be all over me. I just bought it this way. Let's see. Oh, it's got a center console. Yep. It's got one of them seat covers with package trays or something. Well, it's got duct tape under it. Must be this to firm things up. Extra seat belts, ground down doorpost ding danger. Where'd it go? Interesting. Makes you wonder why 4 of them are flying overhead, don't it? What was I doing? Oh yeah. I was probably getting ready to cut my fingers on this rusty crab corner. The bed sides look pretty good. Somebody welded up or at least put Bondo in they didn't do a very good job, whatever they did. In the extra gas door flap. It's got more sketchy lift blocks in the back, which I noticed our U-bolts are loose. It's got a pretty decent Chevrolet tailgate. What do we got in the back? We got a transfer case. I used to know what kind them were, but I can't remember now. And we got a broken bell housing turbo 350. Some bonehead evidently didn't get all the bolts out and jerked the motor out anyways. And we got some exhaust pipes, some Nerf bars, maybe part of a roll bar, and an extra one of them, and one of these, whatever that is, and some of them, and one of those. Boy, that'll be handy for something someday, won't it? Yes, sir. That's stuff I get myself into. But the tires are good. Good tires. Pretty decent back bumper. Looks like he's got nice lights for the license plate. License plate bolts. See how big it looks, right nice. Some crusties there. Doors ain't too good, are they? Bondo Bill's been after them. What else we got? Ooh, look at this patchwork. Hey, hey, hey. That's nice there. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts and 5 pieces of something. That's nice. Nice. And you got one of these. Made in USA, stainless. Extra module. Might be good, might be not. You just never know. Some extra header collector things. An old sack. Let's see if the glove box stays in. Well, no, it does not. Those are always broke. But it does have some pieces I need for my oldest daughter's truck for the AC. So, and a sliding rear window that ain't much good. But anyways, that's the size of this thing. Some good parts. That's about it. Sounds like them things are coming back. Oh yeah. Just there over the tree line. Looks like it's got a decent transmission cooler on it. The condenser ain't no good. Some bozo broke the ends of it off. Nothing more scary than an amateur mechanic. Well, I shouldn't say amateur mechanic. An uninformed mechanic. Okay, I'm done. Nothing behind the seats. Well, I think the thing to do here is scavenge what I need and scrap the rest. Better be careful how I put them doors or I won't be able to find them.